Venice. Venice is a city in northern Italy which is renowned for the beauty of its setting, its architecture, and its artworks. It is the capital of the region Veneto, with a population of the whole commune of about 270,000 people. Venice ना सिर्फ अपनी ब्यूटीफुल साइट्स और नेचुरल ब्यूटी की वजह से फेमस है, बल्कि अपनी खास मॉर्फोलॉजी के लिहाज से भी ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस रखता है। टूरिज्म के हवाले से Venus needs no introduction. It is counted amongst the best tourist destinations throughout the world. 19th century में it became a fashionable center for the rich and famous, often staying or dining at luxury establishments such as the Daniel Hotel and the Café Florian. It continued being a fashionable city in vogue right into the early 20th century. और आज Venice में बहुत सारी uncountable attractions हैं. For tourists such as St. Mark's Basilica, the Grand Canal, the Piazza San Marco, and much more. The Lido di Venezia is also a popular international luxury destination, primarily attraction for actors, critics, celebrities, and mainly people in the cinematic industry. The city also relies heavily on the cruise business. अगर boat trips और gondola rides की बात की जाए, so they are highly recommended in Venice, provided tourists with a relaxing and easy way to see many famous attractions. अपने यूनिक आर्किटेक्चर और इंटीरियर की वजह से भी Venice काफी इम्पोर्टेंट कंसीडर किया जाता है. The city has a rich and diverse architectural style, the most famous of which is the Gothic style. Some of the places that you must include in your visit is the Grand Canal. The Grand Canal in Venice is famous for being most beautiful street on the city. अगर आप यहाँ का आर्किटेक्चर एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हो, तो traveling along this historic canal is the best way. Campo di Fare, San Polo, Venice. Venice के चर्च अपने स्ट्राइकिंग इंटीरियर की वजह से बहुत फेमस हैं. It is vast and contains many pieces of high quality artwork, including masterpieces of Titian and Giovanni Bellini. Campo di San Giovanni Apollo, Venice. This square is full of popular Venus attractions. It features an imposing sculpture, Chiesa di San Sebastiano, Campo San Sebastiano, Dorsoduro, Venice. This parish church was built in the 16th century, जिसको एक आर्टिस्ट पियोलो वेनियासो ने डेकोरेट किया था, जिसने इंटीरियर के लिए बहुत ही खूबसूरत फ्रीकोसेस एंड कैनवासेस यूज किए. St. Mark's Square. It is the principal public square of Venice and possibly the world's most famous square. The Piazza di San Marco is surrounded by magnificent historic buildings of the Venetian Empire. Rialto Bridge, the true heart of Venice. This famous Rialto Bridge was long the only bridge crossing the Grand Canal between the San Marco and San Polo districts. And now, while talking about Venice, how one can forget shopping in Italy. Venice is a hub for fashion and shopping. It is renowned for its innovative handbags, Many of the fashion boutiques and jewelry shops in the city are located in the Rialto Bridge and the Piazza San Marco. In short, Venice makes you a believer in fairy tales. Here you will be awed by the magical beauty, relax in Piazza San Marco, visit the basilicas and wander the alleyways and bridges, and you will realize that you have invested for a beautiful reason, and that it the beautiful Venice.